This video will cover some information for employees including booking annual leave, clocking in and out, break times, training, pay slips, reporting absence and staff benefits. There is another induction video which covers other details about working on our site. We also share a newsletter each month to our teams, sharing monthly updates and reminders of events. Your workday will typically include 3 breaks depending on your shift times. For a standard 8-hour day, you will take a 15-minute morning break, a 30-minute lunch break and a 15-minute afternoon break. The times will be agreed by your team leader, supervisor or manager. In our canteens you will find our notice boards which hold some health and safety information, company updates and other useful information. If working on site due to the nature of activities, there is an immediate requirement to wear safety footwear. When you're a permanent member of Peregrine Live Foods after your probation period, Peregrine will contribute or order your new safety boots at this time. Please speak to the people team. We have emergency plans and procedures including provision of firefighting equipment, emergency lighting and alarms. Our emergency assembly point locations are in the main car park. Muster point locations are on screen now. Winters operatives will report to the emergency muster point outside the front of Winters barn. We have trained first aiders and mental health first aiders. You will find the names and photos of our first aiders displayed on our notice boards. We have 2 automated external defibrillators on site. They are located in the small canteen and outside the front of Winters barn. Please familiarise yourself with the location of these. The one at Winters is also for community use and is locked. Team leaders, first aiders and team at Winters are aware of the code. Depending on your work role, you may be given a PIN code to clock in and out of site. This will be explained on your first day at work. The clock-in system is called Bowday. Through Bowday online, you can check your clocking, request annual leave, and view employee documents. To request annual leave, please give us as much notice as possible. Odd days are not guaranteed. Please see the employee handbook for further details. To log on for the first time, go to Bowday online and input your login name, which is the identifier and password. Username is your surname, password is your first name. When you very first log in, you will be asked to change your login details. You must change your password. Click on Leave Request. You may choose to select full days or half days. You'll be able to see your remaining holiday entitlement and the request will be submitted to your manager for approval. As a business, the holiday year is from May to April. We do not carry over leave, so please plan in advance to use your annual leave. Within the Documents section, you will find the Employee Handbook and Company Policies. Please regularly familiarise yourself with these as they can change or be updated. You can amend your personal details in the Personal Data section, for example if you need to amend your home address or telephone number. At Peregrine we receive monthly payments. Payday is usually the last Friday of the month and you will receive your payslip by email from Sage Pay the day before payday. You will need to register or create an account with Sage to view your payslips. Each work role has a varying amount of in-house and external training. You will have department-specific safe operating procedures. Your training will be set and monitored by your team leader or supervisor. We use iHasco e-learning platforms amongst other training providers, and further details of your login details will be supplied to you as a required basis. If you are unable to attend work for any reason, you must call the absence line at least an hour before your start time of the day. You must not rely on passing messages, text or email via other members of staff. The absence line telephone number will be on screen now. Please make a note of this. You must leave your name, department that you work in, a phone number and the reason that you're unable to attend. If you're going to be off work for a few days, you can advise this in your first call. However, you must still call the absence line on each consecutive day of being absent from work. As a Peregrine employee, we take your health very seriously. You will complete a health questionnaire specific to your work tasks and environment. You must answer all questions as accurately as possible, and any changes to your health, no matter how small, must be reported to your manager or HR team as soon as you can. The occupational health nurse is available for appointments and usually comes onto site once per month, and appointments are allocated according to the department and individual needs. There are additional non-contractual benefits that will also be received once you have passed your provision period. The company is employee-owned, runs a non-contractual bonus scheme. It relates to the performance of the organisation. The better we do, the more money can be paid out in bonuses. You will see monthly updates so you can see how much is in our bonus pot, and it is paid out at the end of the financial year in June's payroll. Once you have a 1-year service history, your bonus is tax-free. Medicash allows you to claim back the cost of a range of outpatient treatments, for example, dental, optician, osteopath, etc., up to the limit of the cover that you choose. There are 5 levels of cover which will provide increasing levels of benefit with associated increasing cost. Peregrine pays the cost of the scheme for level 1 cover. If you want to increase the level of cover, you can do so at your own cost. We also have a childcare voucher scheme. This is a salary sacrifice scheme where an amount is deducted from your wages before you pay tax, so saving you the tax that you would have paid. The money is then paid into your online childcare voucher account, and you can use this to pay for childcare as you want to. All team members will be auto-enrolled into the company pension scheme operated by the People's Pension. Employees may also take advantage of special reduced rates for purchasing stock. Finally, this is a good opportunity to welcome you to our Peregrine team. Please take the time to read through our company policies, handbook and employee induction booklet. If you have any questions, please speak to a member of the team or your manager. Thank you.